How to view your portfolio and asset allocation. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and make sure you are logged into your account. Now from the home screen, you will see the portfolio section right at the bottom. Tap on it to view a full breakdown of your assets. This section gives you an overview of your total balance, recent performance, and a list of assets you currently hold. Each asset shows the current value, percentage of your total holdings, and how much that asset has changed over time. To view your asset allocation visually, simply scroll down and you will see a pie chart showing how your funds are distributed across different cryptocurrencies. This helps you understand where your money is going and how diversified your portfolio is. You can also switch between different time frames such as 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days to analyze how your portfolio is performing over time. If you want more detail about a specific asset, just tap on it. You will get access to its full performance, market price, trading history, and related data. Now you know how to view your portfolio and asset allocation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.